gonna talk about Chisme. We're gonna
everything
because we're chismosas. Huh.
Hi guys.
Welcome back to our channel. I'm Esme
And I'm Perla.
and today we're doing a mukbang or a mukbang, whatever.
Mukbang.
Yeah,
Mukbang.
so we have sandwich. We have chips, and then these,
And then cheese for our chips.
and then of course we need our
I'm
Coke.
drinking this.
Okay.
Why do you roll your eyes?
Because Dr. Pepper's nasty.
That's not.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not. Don't hate on this, okay? Have you tasted it?
Yes, I actually have it.
Just because of the things you hear of this doesn't mean anything, okay?
No, it's just.
It's not true, okay?
So I don't know if like a lot of you guys know, but we live in New Mexico. Should we just say where? We live in Albuquerque. And so many things like lately have been happening, and oh shit, that's a lot. And we're on this page on Facebook, and it's like Albuquerque Crime Watch or whatever, and it lets us know exactly what's going on in Albuquerque. And half the things we read on there, like, we literally scare ourselves because we end up getting so paranoid. So now, like, we're so careful on what exactly we do, like when it comes to going to the store or going outside, like when it's dark and stuff. And oh shit, I have to open this first. And now lately, like, her family has been gone just this week, and I've been staying here with her. The first like couple days that they were gone, we were so freaking paranoid. She didn't want to come downstairs by herself, or I didn't want to come downstairs by myself either. But it's just, you know how everybody has that thought, like, oh my god, we're alone, something's gonna happen. That's exactly the way we are. Huh, babe?
Yeah, and then guys, I didn't record it the other time, but
It was Tuesday.
oh yeah, we're Thursday.
Tuesday. So I was I calling you?
Yeah, no.
No. Okay, so I was in there, and I don't know, she had her music on. She was folding clothes. So I decided, to go in all quietly or whatever. And I was just there, like, standing by her door. And she turned around. Oh my god, I've never seen, like, she had no idea what to do. Like, she got so freaking scared. And it was just so funny because she didn't know if to scream, to stop screaming, or what. It was funny. And then what happened?
So I have seen her there, and she did scare me. I'm not gonna lie. My heart started beating fast. She left running back to the bathroom because she couldn't stop laughing. And I was like, so it's funny now. And she kept laughing like if it was funny. And so I went back to the room, because my room is on that side of the house. And I finished putting away clothes, and I'm like, well, since she scared me, I might she didn't mean to scare me, but I'm like, I better get her back. So I went to my brother's room, which was across from mine, and I stood right there by his wall, and she was calling me. She was like, babe.
Loud, like, really, really loud.
And I heard her, and I was like, no, you know what, I'm just not gonna answer. So I hear her footsteps, and once I hear like she's getting closer, I pop out on her. Her face was
We're really, really thinking about doing pranks on each other, but just the thing is that, you know how, like, on YouTube videos they have to hide the camera. We can't really hide it because we use our phones right now. Pretty soon, really, 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 really soon, we're gonna be getting a camera. But be able to prank and, you know, our phones are going to be right there, you know, so, you know. But I feel like we should plan pranks like on family or friends or something. But I don't know.
Yeah.
But, I don't know. We really want you guys to comment some, like, funny, like, some cool things for us to do on our YouTube channel. We want this YouTube channel to be like challenges. We basically want it to be everything, vlogs, everything.
A little bit of everything, and we did get off of YouTube for a while, but now we're gonna start doing it more. As you guys see, we did post a video a couple of days ago. If you guys haven't watched it, just make sure to watch it.
We cool or whatever. We alright. We were having like a little kickback or whatever at her sister's apartment. And my cousin brought over her friend, girlfriend, buddy, whatever the heck she calls her. And she wasn't even supposed to get drunk. Like, she was on crutches, she was on medication, she wasn't supposed to get drunk. Everybody that was there, you know, got either tipsy or they got really drunk. We ended up staying there. So did my cousin, her and her friend, girlfriend, whatever. And they slept on the couch. We slept in one of the other rooms. And we got up or whatever. We went to the house so that we could change and stuff. We showered, huh? Mm-hmm. Did I shower? Mm-hmm. I had already showered. Okay. So we went back to her sister's apartment, and I laid on the couch because I had a really bad headache.
Hangover.
Yeah. I laid down and I felt it wet.
And I was outside too.
Yeah, but you know what, like I was like too lazy to get up or whatever. So yeah, I got up and no, she was actually coming to me and she gave me a kiss and she said that I smelled like pee.
Like horrible.
Yeah.
Like baby, smell like pee.
Yeah, so.
And I was like, did you like pee and like wipe, you know? I didn't know.
No. We told her sister, we're like, you know what, I think
someone peed.
Yeah, I think we said somebody. We didn't know if it was her. So yeah, we were like, I think somebody peed on your couches. We went inside and we told her, you know, to smell it. You know, it's nasty or whatever, but we told her to smell it.
It's her couches, so.
Yeah. So that happened. We ended up all going to our apartment, and my cousin and her friend, girlfriend. And we were inside. And her sister tells me, she's all, it smells like pee in your room. And I was like, are you serious? So what we did was we started cleaning, we mopped and everything.
Or we smelled to ourselves. We're like,
yeah,
just making sure it's not us. But I mean, our house is always clean, but just, you know.
We cleaned or whatever, and my cousin and her girlfriend ended up leaving. They said they were just going to go shower and they were going to come back. Mm-hmm. So we were like, well, you know what? We're going to go to the store. Supposedly. And
we already knew.
Yeah, we went, me and her both went to our room and we, you know, smelled the bed and it was pee. Then and there is when we were like, it was this girl.
That very same day, we went to the store. We actually did go to the store and we bought a blanket,
sheets. We bought new
everything. And we just threw that one away.
Mm-hmm. And we still went to her sister's and, well, she did most of the scrub, right? You scrubbed it. And then I started helping her a while ago because her wrist, or I don't know what was hurting you, your nail? Or your wrist, or something was hurting her, so I started helping her.
The worst part is, she never told us about it. She didn't mention anything to me, to her, or her cousin, to nobody. So she peed and she left like nothing. She was there like if nothing had happened. My sister had threw another party.
This was a party, not a kickback. It got freaking huge.
Yeah, everyone was having a good time. There's beer pong. There's just bottles going around and take a shot, and crazy things happened that night. So we were all dancing, and you know how to dance, girl. There was music loud, so I was like, well, come here because I want to get a beer. So I was just walking thinking she was behind me. Turns out someone's hugging me. I hug them back. To turn around, it's a guy.
It's a short guy.
He's shorter than me. He's like right here. So I'm like, well, what the heck? I was like, and I right away looked at him, and I thought it was her the whole time, you know? Yeah, and then there was people chugging a bottle. Turns out one of them dropped the bottle, and it just broke.
That's like the second time that they do that.
The first time they did that too, the same bottle too.
Okay guys, well I think this is the end of our video.
That completes our mukbang.
Yeah, so we didn't really eat much, you know. We kind of suck at these, but you know.
This is the first one.
Yeah, so the other ones will be better. We'll try to eat and talk instead of just like not eating and then talking, and you know, but we don't want to like, you know,
want you guys to see our food.
Yeah, you know, like we don't know, that's kind of nasty. But anywho, our social medias will be in the description. So yeah, thank you guys for watching today's video, and
we hope you guys have a great day, and
don't forget to like, comment, share, and
subscribe.
And we'll see you guys in our next video.
Yes. Bye.